you're watching this video, I assume that you have newly started your dream business, want to promote it online, and are getting pieces of advice from millions of people. But you're still unsure which direction to follow. Don't worry, you're not the only one. Almost every business person goes through the same. You might have heard that you should make an excellent digital marketing plan to succeed in the digital world. And they start mentioning different paid marketing tools. But people don't realize that startups mostly lack a high budget. But don't worry, today I will tell you about a few free digital marketing tools. Hey guys, my name is Asta from PaperVideo. In this video, I will tell you top 5 free digital marketing tools for small businesses. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Let's begin. Firstly, there's Canva. If you need to design graphics but you're not a designer, Canva is a blessing. Canva comes packed with simple, editable design templates for any graphic design you might require. Canva is like a genie of graphics. So whenever and whatever you need, whether a logo, business card, social media template, Canva has everything. Canva also automatically keeps your designs as you work on them. Hence, you can get back to them at any moment and pick up right where you left off. Google Trends. See what the world is seeing. If you are planning to post about something and want to know if it is in trend or not, write that keyword in the Google Trends search bar. You will get all the details, like what is trending, is your idea relevant to today's scenario, which country is searching for it, etc. Google Keyword Planner. Google's Keyword Planner is one of the most significant keyword planners to build powerful keyword lists and do keyword research for your SEO. If you search a single keyword, Google Keyword Planner gives you thousands of keywords related to your search volume. Mailchimp. Building a solid email list is one of the biggest things you can do for your small business. Social media is essential, but you don't own the followers. But at one thing you have complete control, that is your email list. Mailchimp is one of the most common email management service providers, and it's free for up to 2K subscribers. It's a non-complicated tool that packs great templates, features, and analytics. Grammar Checker. When you write post captions or copies in a hurry, you often make some grammatical mistakes. And if you publish them with the same errors, your brand value will decrease. If you think this hashtag generation won't mind minor mistakes, then let me tell you, you're mistaken. And for correcting, we have such an excellent online grammar and plagiarism checker tool called Grammarly. An online dashboard that assists. The tool's interface is straightforward and clean. You can also install the tool as a plugin for your browser. Once installed, Grammarly automatically proofreads everything you type online without having to access the dashboard. So these were the 5 most usable free digital marketing tools. I suggest you start with these, and once you get friendly with all, you can explore other paid or unpaid tools. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Share any tips that worked for you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.